Hi, Nicole.
Hello there, Chris.
Today, Nicole and I would like to run through an example as to how a reverse mortgage can help with wealth transfer. Now, that can either be early inheritance, or as we're starting to see, people who want to help their mature children out who have run into financial difficulty due to the pandemic. A reverse mortgage is a very efficient way to access equity in the home without payments, and maybe a much more effective way to do a wealth transfer than selling public securities. When you sell public securities, you could incur capital gains tax implications. It may even bump you up to another tax bracket. And of course, you have the opportunity cost of not having those funds in the marketplace that you might be relying on for later in your retirement. So a reverse mortgage is a very efficient way to access funds to help out, either, as I said, through early inheritance or people in your children in financial trouble. And I think, Nicole, you have an example you wanted to run through with us?
Yeah, I do. And as we see, the pandemic is still afoot, and as deferral payments come to an end, there is a significant opportunity. In this particular example, I'm looking at an 80-plus business owner who would like to help his kids, but is looking for an alternative to, as opposed to using the investments. The CHIP solution is ideal in this case. The equity withdrawal is tax-free, there are no payments required, and he's able to help his children without affecting his cash flow and his investment holdings. And when we look at the costs moving forward, there's always going to be a cost to using money. The appreciation rate, using a home appreciation rate of a conservative 3%, you'll see that over time, even the appreciation of the home is going to more than pay that interest and take care of that. Does that make sense, Chris?
Absolutely, Nicole, because if you look at this, you've got a $1 million home, you take out an initial advance of $300,000, 30% loan to value. It's going to cost you $65,000 in interest, but you've got the $1 million home in the marketplace appreciating at 3% a year. And your equity goes from a current $700,000 after the transaction up to $793,000, and you haven't negatively impacted either your investments or your cash flow, as you pointed out. So I think that that's a very good illustration of how wealth can be transferred. And if you're looking for a way to help your family without negatively affecting your lifestyle or your invested assets, I'm available to review your options for your particular situation. Everyone is different, but I'd be happy to look at what's available and what the best solution would be for you. Thank you so much, Nicole, for taking the time.
You're welcome, Chris, anytime.
And we'll do this again soon, I hope.
Sounds good.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.